Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Paul Merson, maybe one of Arsenal legends, they'll come as I call the talk say Arsenal don't need to beat this Man City for this match they won't play on Sunday. So all Arsenal need to do now make them no lose. So now the way Paul Merson is saying, because now Paul Merson when they analyze the various absentees really for Arsenal and the ones really for Man City. So when you check Man City, they'll be without, as in notable absentees, they'll be without people like Kevin De Bruyne, and they'll be without Rodri. These are the people that will deal without, so we say that they're notable, we say they can influence games. Now, on the other hand, when you can look for Arsenal, even though we feel say maybe Saka will be available, but for me, I personally feel say no, we don't represent fit. So let's just say Saka, Martinelli, these are guys who will know say they're very, very influential if then they play for Arsenal. So this match is a very, very important match for Arsenal. It is a must-win for Arsenal so that we will leapfrog this Man City. So Merson going to say now, looking at all these absentees, both teams they miss important players. So for Arsenal point of view, Arsenal will look and say they no go like to lose, because after this October 8th match, the next time we will play like maybe October 21. So regardless of whatever happens in the match, by the time when they will play the next game again, then everybody will be injured, go down the 100% fit. It will just be like a restart for Arsenal. Everybody will get a clean bill of health. Based on say maybe they're not getting injured for their international duty, but once they don't come back, everybody go dey fit. So this match is key. If you cannot win, don't lose. Now, the message Paul Merson said, and me too, I subscribe to that line of thought, and I believe you also subscribe to that line of thought that if you cannot win, don't lose. Make us still carry the 1 point, so we use them behind Man City. Go to October 20 something. Then we'll see how things will move on from there on. Alright, away from that, so Michael Oliver now will be the referee for this match where Arsenal will play on Sunday. So many people going to cry foul, say Michael Oliver don't really like Arsenal, say the man they like to blow against us, they give penalty against us. So for that reason, they say they don't like the man. But for me personally, I don't really get any personal issue with Michael Oliver. I believe he's a fair referee, he's a just referee. So, but it is what it is. As long as say individual errors no happen and we don't get questionable calls will go against us, I think we'll be fine again. But until I see the lineup, that is when I will know how the match will be, because from now I can't really say I go be, because we never know the people will play because of our injuries, speculations and all that. So until we see the actual lineup where Arsenal will put out on that day, then I will be optimistic. Although I still get solace from the fact say England invites Bukayo Saka to come play for the international matches. Now, if they say Saka still dey injured, I don't think that Southgate will be adding him to his invitees. Yeah, so now the one will give me joy. So okay, Saka will be available. Like they give us that hope. Say Saka will be available. Well, we'll just wait. Now still on the lineup. Alright, so many fans don't they call for Arteta to play Zinchenko for the midfield, that number 8 role, that Shaka role. Now, one point is Adrian Clark. Instead don't come as I can throw him out. For the matter, say it will make a whole lot of sense for Arteta to play Zinchenko for that number 8 role, that Shaka role where they cause problem you get, which means we will get a midfield three of maybe Zinchenko, Odegaard and Rice, or Zinchenko, Odegaard and Partey get. So now in own opinion, but for me, I don't think Arteta will ever do that, because some of the arguments when people like Adrian Clark they bring out, and the fact is Zinchenko they play midfield for Ukraine. So for that reason, he be good midfielder. So it will make sense but they play and there. See what people need to understand. They say we play with an inverted full back. You get. So if Zinchenko can originally come play for the midfield, we will no longer have that inverted full back. We will come for the midfield, can add more bodies, because Zinchenko already did there. So the idea is having an original midfield that we go did there. Then once Zinchenko can leave a full back, can enter that midfield, that person can replace either Kai Havertz, either James Petro, either Thomas Partey or Declan Rice, whoever it is when they replace, we can go join the attack. That is why we convert our 4-2-3-1 or 4-3-3 into a 3-2-4-1. So that person will make up that 4 before the 1 Now be the original person for the midfield. So that is the idea what Ateta they do, and this is what helped us last season to finish second. You get, and the whole thing they help. But that is why if we miss that inverted fullback, after the struggle, that was why Ateta when they experiment Thomas Partey for fullback, so that we can enter midfield to form that inverted. As long as it's Timber no day, Zinchenko no day, the only way where this Zinchenko hypothesis will work. Now say maybe we'll get a Julian Timber, so that if Zinchenko originally did for the midfield, Timber go see the operate on that left corner, drafts into the midfield, while Zinchenko adds bodies to the four where they behind the one, we can go forward. So that is the only logical explanation. We go make that idea work. Without that, it's not going anywhere. Alright, so Zlatan Ibrahimovic, don't come as I can explain the reasons why he no end up signing for Arsenal. So he actually come Arsenal in discuss with Arsene Wenger. So when he come, he see Henry, see Beckham, he see Vieira, he see some stars. People will be saying they watch for TV, and they use them play PlayStation. He see them and he was very, very happy. He said, wow, this is huge. Say everything going to go well. Even if Arsene Wenger don't bring Arsenal just with them right number 9, give them so we like you, want you to play for us. We have huge expectations, you have huge potential, but we would like to give you 2 weeks trial. Make you go to trial, make you just see what you get to offer, I guess. So now there big can happen, now there everything can scatter. I can't tell you that say me I know they do trial though. You get say is it that you sign me or you don't sign me? Say I'm bigger than that. You get say make you sign me. Say when you first time we can say I don't do trials. We can say what? What do you mean? He said, no, I don't do trial, Baba. So it is that you sign me or you don't sign me. So that's what the deal scatter out. And Arsenal now missed out in signing one of the most prolific strikers in world football. So we just miss the player. So the guy just talk the story not too long ago. So it is what it is. So if I be winger, if I get winger shoes, just imagine put yourself in winger shoes. Then you know go get the power of hindsight. So get now. Say Ibrahimovic will turn out to become one of the best strikers in the world, because then he was just coming out fresh from Malmo. So he was a nobody. Nobody knew him. He was just proud and arrogant. So Wenger was actually right. As of then, you actually not signing. But with the power of hindsight, if I talk say if say Wenger no, if I just take a risk on the player. So this is what it is. Alright, Chris Sutton, that come as I call it, say Arsenal will still be dangerous without Saka and Martinelli if we play against Man City on Sunday. So regardless whether those two people play, him believes that the rest players for Arsenal they will step up. They know how important this game is. As long as the defense is solid and the midfield three of Odegaard, Partey and Rice, then they're solid. Forget the attack will conjure up something. You have a Gabriel Jesus there who is fit and scoring of late. You have an Edinketia, you have a Trossard. So these guys can make things happen. After all, some legends don't call them to live up to expectations. So in the season, everything will go solo. Even if you're going to cast aspersion on this Eli Haaland, say, do you know that Eli Haaland has scored 1 goal in 4 games in the last 4 Man City games? To show that the guys have done they lose form. They get the services of Kevin De Bruyne any longer. So that myself when they affect the way in they play. So against Arsenal, he will be like rooting for himself to come back to scoring this thing again, scoring form. So, but at the end of the day, we'll see how everything will turn out. But the question I want to ask you, say, do you believe that Arsenal can still be dangerous against Man City, arguably who are the best team in the world right now, without Saka and Martinelli, so if they're dangerous and beat them? Sure, you get that belief 100%. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, because me personally, I don't go lie for you. I don't believe so go they dangerous without those two players, because they are the short. Now they be Arsenal, you get, because when they play, obviously will they enjoy, they stretch the opposition defense wide. If they don't come deep, who can get the pace to outrun Walker, you get, or outrun maybe Nathan Ake or whoever, or Gavidon, whoever will play, but that their own left back. So this is what it is. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, so Fabrizio Romano, don't come as I call it, let us know Ben White's contract talks for Arsenal. It don't enter advanced stage, because Ben White, no one come up for Arsenal. He wants to stay here, play for a very, very long time. I know say initially, what many people think say Ben White won't come out, and when Arsenal signed Julian Timber, Ben White was supposed to be on the bench. Timber will come to run that right, but we'll come be having Zinchenko and Julian Timber. But the way everything can go, so Baba can get injury and anterior cruciate ligament injury. We can keep him out till 2024. That's why Ben White want to enjoy game time. In fact, Ben White don't play almost all the games we play from the beginning of the season, except that RC Lens match with the bench. I mean, know how consistent and valuable he is to this Arsenal side. Alright, so what's going on here? Say Arsenal, they plan to hold a summit, hold talks with England medics, to let them know say if we carry Bukayo Saka give una, say make una go use and play una match against Australia and whoever na wan play, una must guarantee us say nothing will do this boy. Una go take care of him because he's our star boy and we don't want to hear story, because we won't win league this season, so they don't get talks with them. Let them say we carry and they give una in clean bill of health though. But the truth is, England cannot guarantee you that. England nobody in the mind of Australian team or whoever England will play say make una no kick Saka, make una no jam am. In football, life is a risk. Anything can happen on the field of play. You get Saka can fall and fall awkwardly. It can. These are things that can happen. You get so it is even for training session going, it can fall awkwardly. Anything can happen to him. Our prayer be say make him go, come back on the hill and hurt. You get this international break. If left for me, I for tell us I mean tell guys how get Saka nowhere. Make the ball rest, you get, because this guy never rest. Me just rest, but the guy said go won't play. Alright, my dear Arsenal lovers, if you're watching us on YouTube and you never subscribe for our show, Baba, what's the wait for now? Make it subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. If you're watching us on Facebook and you never follow us, what are you waiting for? As long as you enjoy our show, make you continue to follow us. And don't forget, we are still on Twitter, so you can join us on Twitter at CHUKS Media, or you can search for CHUKS Arsenal TV. You will see our page and make you subscribe so that our community will go wide and wide and everybody will get the good news. Alright, so German Pennant also come and say talk say Ivan Toney could be better than Ian Wright at Arsenal if Arsenal sign him. So the guy is a very, very important member of this Brentford side, and if Arsenal sign him, it will also be important for Arsenal side. I know say Ian Wright get a very, very good record at Arsenal. Sadly, me I don't watch Ian Wright when they play for Arsenal, because but here I watch like highlights, I watch replay, recorded clips, but like live, I don't really watch them live. I don't go live for that. So the people who watch him get they talk say the guy was very, very prolific in his day according to statistics. So that is why Pennant, who is a former Arsenal player, according to talk say if we sign Tony, he would do better than Ian Wright. Well, whether that one are true, whether that one are lie, we'll just see everything go. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen to see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Again, out.